Today, I'll teach you 5 useful weather phrases you'll hear every day, and you can start using them too. Number 1. It's chilly today. Use this when it's a little cold but not freezing. Number 2. It's boiling. Say this when it's extremely hot. Example, turn on the fan, it's boiling. Number 3. It looks like rain. Use it when the sky is dark and it might rain soon. Number 4. I'm soaked. Say this when you got really wet in the rain. Number 5. The weather is perfect today. Use it when it's neither too hot nor too cold. Try using these phrases the next time you talk about the weather.